Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cleanup at home, and that too I'm showing you a fruit cleanup at home, so that in a very affordable range and getting the benefit of fruit you can do at home. And it's very simple and very easy to do a fruit cleanup at home. So guys, let's get started with the video and I will show you how to do it. So guys, first we are doing fruit cleanup today. So I am using only one fruit, that is papaya, and that is really very beneficial for your skin. Papaya will really help you to get rid of pigmentation, fine line, any marks on your skin, dry skin, and if you have acne problem also. Papaya is really very beneficial for your skin. That's why I'm showing you a papaya cleanup, and that will really help you to get a glowing effect on your skin. So guys, first what I have done is I have taken a papaya and I have mashed that papaya. You can see, I have mashed all the papaya and I have grinded it into a smooth paste. First we will cleanse our face. So for cleansing, what all we need? So I have taken 1 spoon of papaya in this, papaya plump in this. After that I'll squeeze a lemon in this. You can see this is a cleanser. Cleanser is really very important. Whenever you're doing any cleanup or any facial, anything, cleansing is a very important step. So you have to first cleanse your step for any cleanup you're doing. So after adding lemon, I am adding little rose water to this. I'm adding 1 spoon of rose water in this. You can see. Now we'll mix it well. Now I'm mixing this well and I'll apply it on my face, this cleanser, and I'll show you how you have to cleanse your skin applying this. This is the cleanser is ready, you can see. So this is a cleanser and this is ready. So guys, first we will cleanse our face. Whenever you're doing any facial, cleansing your skin is really very important. This will really help you to remove all the impurities, any makeup and anything on your skin, and will refresh your skin. So I have shown you how to make this cleanser. So I'm using this cleanser and I'll just cleanse my face with this cleanser. So you have to just properly massage it on your skin, and it will give you a little tingling sensation because we have added lemon. If you have any cuts on your skin, please do not add any lemon. So that will really cause tingling on your skin. So if you have any cut or something, don't add lemon in that. So we'll properly cleanse our skin. I'll just take it in my hand and I'll just rub it into my skin and let it properly clean it. And papaya really benefits your skin, so you have to apply it properly and cleanse it properly around your eyes also. You can see guys, you have to do properly like this. After properly massaging it into your skin, you have to cleanse your skin with a wet towel or a wet napkin. I'm taking this handkerchief. You can use a wet wipe also, but if you use a wet napkin, that would be fine. So I'm just cleansing my face with a wet napkin, and I'm just cleaning my face. You don't have to wash it. You have to just clean your face with a wet napkin. You can see guys, I have just cleansed my face. So guys, you can see I have just cleansed my face with a cleanser, and it really gives you very nice effect. And you can do this facial anytime because papaya is really very good for your skin, and it will really help you if you have fine lines, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, aging. It will really make your skin very supple and firm. So after the step, after the cleansing step, I'll show you how to make scrub. Okay guys, so now I am making a papaya scrub. Scrubbing your face is really very important because it exfoliates your dead skin, and it really helps your dead skin to remove. It really helps your skin, and that we are making a papaya scrub. So now I am taking this papaya plum in this, you can see. And in this plum, I'll add little sugar in this. And our scrub is ready. You can see our papaya scrub is ready. Now I'll show it on my face and then we will see the results. Okay guys, so I have shown you how to make scrub. So now after cleansing our face properly, we'll scrub our face. So you can see we have made the scrub. Scrubbing will really help you to exfoliate all the dead skin and all the gunk on your skin, and it will really make your skin very good. Whoever have blackheads problem, this will also really help it. So I'm mixing it properly, and the sugar in this really acts as an exfoliating agent. You can see I'm just scrubbing it all over my chin. I have blackheads problem over my nose, so I'll just scrub it on my nose properly. You have to take it, and wherever you have blackheads or anything, you have to just scrub it. This scrub is really very good, and this will really help your skin. Whoever have oily skin also, they can also use this. This has no side effect because papaya is a pure raw organic thing. You can see it's really moisturizing my skin. You have to properly scrub it on your nose, wherever you have open pores, everywhere. And after scrubbing properly, you have to take a wet towel. I have shown you, or you cannot now you don't have to wash your face because we are doing a cleanup. So after scrubbing it properly, I will just clean my face with a napkin. So I'm cleaning my face with a napkin. With a wet napkin, you have to clean your face. So guys, you can see we have just cleansed and scrubbed our face. This is really very important whenever you are doing any cleanup or anything. After this step, you have to take steam. If you can take steam, that will really help you, because after scrubbing our pores are really open, and the steam you will take, that will really help your skin. So after this, you have to take steam. You will take steam. So guys, now I'm making a papaya cream. After scrubbing, applying a cream is really very important. Showing you how to make a papaya cream. So I'm just taking this papaya plum. You can see I've taken this plum. Now I'm adding fresh cream to this. You can see I'm having fresh cream. You can take Amul cream. I have taken this Amul cream, then I have whipped it. You don't need to whip it. You can directly apply it, or you can take milk cream also. People who have oily skin can skip this step. So I'm taking this papaya plum, and I'm adding this cream in this, Amul cream in this. This will really moisturize your face, and your face will really become very glowy. So we'll just mix this, and you will see our cream is ready. Papaya cream is ready. All the cleanup I'm showing you, you cannot store this because this is fruit cleanup. So you have to use it fresh only. So we'll just mix it properly. So you can see guys, our cream is ready. I'll apply on my face, and I will show you how it looks. I have shown you how to make the moisturizer after the fruit. So I will just apply a moisturizer on my skin. You can just skip the step of steaming if you don't want, but if you will take, that will really benefit your skin. So after that, I'm just applying the moisturizer which we have made it. We will apply the moisturizer on our skin, and this moisturizer will really make your skin very soft. So I'm taking little moisturizer. I have added cream in this. People who have oily skin, you can skip this step totally, because cream will really make your skin very acne prone. People who have dry skin, you can really do this step. So I have a combination skin, so I'm just applying this moisturizer, and it is a very good, this will really help your skin. You can see I'm just applying this moisturizer. In this facial, in this cleanup, whatever I am showing you, you cannot store anything because the fruit will really get spoiled. So you don't have to store anything. You have to make it fresh whenever you are doing your cleanup at home. So I'll take little more moisturizer, and I apply it on my skin. I'll properly moisturize my skin. So you can see guys, I have really moisturized my skin with the moisturizer we have made. Now I will show you how to make a face pack out of papaya, and that will really benefit your skin. So now I will show you how to make a face pack. Okay guys, so after applying moisturizer, now our face needs a pack, a proper nice fruit pack. So we are making a face pack. So I am using this papaya plum, you can see. So I am using this papaya plum. After that, in this plum, I'll add little curd. I am adding 1 spoon of curd in this. After adding curd in this, I am going to add 1 spoon of gram flour in this. So I am adding this. Now we'll mix it well and I'll apply it on my face and I will show you how it looks like. You have to properly mix this pack. This will really benefit your skin, and they are all natural ingredients, so it will really benefit your skin and your skin will become very glowy. So we'll mix this well and I'll apply on my face and I will show you. Okay guys, so I've shown you how to make the face pack and you saw it was so easy to make a face pack. So you can see we'll just apply it on my skin and you will see the result yourself. The skin will start glowing and it will really benefit your skin, and this all are natural ingredients, so you don't need to worry about any side effects of this. And if you think your skin is very sensitive, please do a patch test and after that you can do, but I don't think you will get any side effect of this cleanup which I have shown you, because all are natural products. So guys, now I am applying this all over my face, this pack, and you have to keep it for 15 minutes. Okay guys, you can see it's completely dry now, so I'll wash my face and I will show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so you can see I've washed my face after applying the face pack, and now you have to take a clean towel and just clean your face and just keep it like that only. You can see the difference when I started the video and now you can see after doing my cleanup at home. So this is really very good, and give it a try, and it is really beneficial for your skin because we are doing with natural ingredients, and papaya is really very good for your skin and for your body also. So I hope guys you like this video, and the results are really very good. You should give it a try on this cleanup at home because we cannot go out now. So this DIYs whichever I am showing, that will really help you to keep your skin very good in this lockdown also. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share my videos, like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel guys. Okay guys, bye, take care, stay healthy and keep your skin healthy. Bye.